Air compressor first maintenance. Need to change oil, air filter, oil filter, 3 things. The tools needed are a belt wrench, an adjustable wrench, and a hexagonal wrench. First step, machine power off. Ensure that the equipment is stopped. Motor not rotating. Second step, open the side and front door and look at the gas tank gauge to make sure the pressure is 0. The third step, there's a hexagonal plug in the oil drain, release it. Then open the valve manually to drain the oil. You can find a waste oil drum to follow. Step 4, we find this air filter and remove it and replace it. Screw the lid on. The 5th step, change the oil loft. This pipe may be hot. It's best to wear gloves when replacing it to avoid burns when handling it. We have this belt wrench ready. Snap in position, go up a bit. There is an iron and strong, and the under is a plastic cover which is easy to be damaged. Okay. Some of the excess oil will seep down when this is screwed, so you can use a rag to catch it. This oil cord is the same as screwing the screws. Towards the left is loose, now we are tightening it. Toward the right is a tightening of the same hit on the top with the grooves. Because it is a rubber ring seal, does not need to be particularly tight to ensure that the top of the rubber ring is subjected to force, and then wipe the top of the oil stains. The 6th step, fueling, where the oil drains. If no more oil comes out, it's empty. Then close it. When it's closed, there's an oil filler on top. Use a wrench to unscrew the screws on the fuel filler neck. Then refill the oil, will be okay. There's an oil level gauge over here. You can see the height of the oil when it exceeds the second above the line, more than a finger position, and when the power on and the oil level will fall down between 2 lines. After the oil level is refilled, the screws on this side are also tightened in the same way as they were removed. This one screw can be properly tightened. Then the following plug, put it back as before.